Welcome back to Theresa's Dead. My name is Theresa and I'm very much hands. Hi, how are you? I have an awful garbage filthy mouth, so viewer discretion is advised. But if you're not into that, or weird shit in general, this is definitely not the place for you. Feel free to exit out the video here. No harm, no foul, but I'll remember our time fondly. It's time to get disappointed. Welcome to our monthly disappointment on this channel. We're unboxing the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus of March 2022. If you have never heard of Ipsy, you're living under a bridge and I'm jealous because I wish I didn't know about this. But Ipsy is a wonderful subscription service that has quite a few little bags. I choose the Glam Bag Plus, which in theory I think is it $30 or $40? I don't know. I'll pop how much I pay for it. You get about 5 products that are supposed to be full size and bloopity blah blah. Everything's supposed to be great. Ideally, it's supposed to be better than the regular bag, which is supposed to be kind of filled with samples. This is supposed to give you full size and deluxe samples. It also comes in this beautiful little drawstring bag, which last few bags kind of looked gross. This is pretty cute, so I actually like the bag a lot, so I'm probably gonna utilize it. For what? I don't fucking know, but I am gonna utilize it. I really don't remember what I chose. The thing about Ipsy is that you can pick, I believe, 3 out of the 5 products. I remember the choices not being good. That's all I remember. What is all this bullshit? Okay. So this month's theme is power moves. Who runs the world? You do. Ew. This month, swipe on the boldest lip and conquer every goal like a boss. Whether it's sticking to a self-care routine or kickstarting the next big thing. All right. I hate it. But on the inside, it talks about dynamic skincare duos, antioxidants and SPF, retinol and peptides. Ooh, ceramides and squalene. I'm all about the ceramide life. Nourish and strengthen your skin's barrier, then lock it on with a layer of squalene. Ooh, squalene. I don't know why it just seemed like aggressive, but cool. Get to know your Glam Bag Plus picks, valued at over $120. Okay. And then the back of it talks about some add-ons and bloopy blop up. Nobody really gives a shit. Okay, so let's start with the first product. Oh my God, what? How did this happen? Wait a second. Wait, what the fuck? I didn't remember getting this. Hold on. Is this like a special thing? Ipsy. Oh my God, wait a second. What is this? My box is a little different. Okay. I didn't ask for this. I didn't purchase this. This just came in there. This is from Voss. Listen, I know I talk a lot of shit about Voss. I do. Often because their packaging is garbage. I love their eyeshadow quality. I think it's really great. So let's see. What is this? What is the essentials too? Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's a nice little basic bitch palette. It looks familiar. Don't know where I've seen this, but it looks familiar though. But okay. Listen, like I said, I like Voss. Actually, let's swatch. Ooh, yes, thank you. The shimmers feel incredibly nice. All right, not the best swatch, but whatever. Do some purple down here. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. Okay, listen, we're off to a good start. Something that I'm not gonna immediately chuck out the window. Yay. Hold on, let me wash my hands. The next product is from Tokyo Milk. I love the box. I think it's really pretty. This is one of the products I did try because I'm a sucker for hand cream. And how the fuck do you open this? Ah, there it goes. I was like, how do you open this box up? Weird. So this is called the Ensol hand cream and this retails for $22. All right, we're gonna take that off. Ew. Ew. This does not smell good. This smells like old lady puss. Oh, I don't like it. Ew, it just smells like cheap perfume. Why are you rubbing it into your hands? You're a stupid bitch. Oh, ew. Oh, it's so thick. I hate this. Nope. Oh, I can't do this. Hold please. Oh God, it still smells. Okay, so we're just gonna we're gonna throw this away. It smells, it has a thick consistency, I fucking hate it, needs to go to hell. Okay, next thing. I hate this box so much. The next thing is from Saturday Skin. What do we got here, kids? Saturday Skin. What is this? This is Rub-a-Dub. Refining Peel Gel. Ooh, I love peeling shit. Okay. I thought it was gonna be like a peely mask, not so much. Okay, so I'm already disappointed. Womp, womp, womp. So this retails for $28 and this is a face exfoliant. This peeling gel gently cleanses, exfoliates, and helps brighten skin with natural fruit enzymes from papayas and pineapples. They help remove buildup, impurities, and dulling dead cells from the skin, all without causing irritation or redness. Okay, listen, I like the claims of it. I thought it was gonna be something else, but you know what? Let's give it a whirl and let's see how it works. So we will definitely be trying this one. The next product is from a brand called Ona. That sounds familiar. I think I got a product from this brand in an Ipsy box in the past, but this is a brightening eye cream. Ooh. Okay, lovely. What does it do? So this retails for $42. Ooh, this is a full size, and this is described as, make this anti-aging eye cream a regular in your routine to help turn back the clock. Oh, it combines powerful peptides and antioxidant-rich botanicals that help plump, smooth, brighten, and protect skin from environmental aggressors. I wish it could protect me from this goddamn fucking Tokyo milk thing. All right, this is kind of cute. I feel like all I get in these boxes is fucking eye cream. It's always eye cream. I feel like they're trying to tell me something based on my age and they can go fuck themselves, okay? Seriously, fuck off. The next product is, ooh, a multitasker. This is from a brand called Alleyoop, which sounds really, really cute. We love a multitasker on this channel. First of all, that looks like a dildo. But this, what the fuck? That's kind of cool. I don't think I ever had anything like that. So this kind of hurts. This feels a little hard. This is a little scratchy, but I've definitely had worse bristles. But this kind of hurts though. What are you supposed to do with it besides like aggressively poke your face with it? What the fuck do you do with this? Is it supposed to be like a cream product? I guess for cream products, right? I don't know. Oh bitch, it opens up. Oh my God, I'm so, oh my God, it's like a little nesting doll. There's so many pieces. And here I thought it was just these two fucking things. So this is a full-size product, obviously. It retails for $28, and this is a 4-in-1 multitasker that combines your most essential makeup applicators. So you can use a sponge to blend concealer. Not gonna lie, it's kind of hard. So I'm curious if you wet this, maybe this gets a little bit softer. A fluffy brush to apply brush or bronzer. You have a small angled brush to fill your brows, but for me, I'd probably use it as like eyeliner. And then you have a small rounded eyeshadow brush. This is kind of cute. Ooh, I don't like that for the eye. The bristles feel a little stiff on it, but I have to say it's pretty cute. Pretty cute. Something I've never seen something like this before. So I'll report back to let you know how the dick part works. But okay, all right, not bad, not bad. And then last but certainly not least, we have from the Branchella the Good Drama Mascara in black. Now this is a product that I did pick. It retails for $25. So this mascara is supposed to create major length, volume, and thickness for a high drama look. It's also water resistant, so you don't need to worry about the formula smearing or running during the day. Listen, I like all those claims. They sound really, really wonderful. Packaging wise, it's okay. Nothing to write home about. And you know, the brush looks pretty decent. It looks small and it looks kind of pointy. And so, let's hope that the formula is good. So I'm gonna give this a whirl and let y'all know in a future video if this worked out for me. But okay, so let's talk about what we got here. So technically this is what I had. This was just like a fucking bonus. I didn't order it. I don't know where it came from. I'm not upset at all. This is definitely something that's probably the best thing I've ever received in an Ipsy box. So, so we are very happy about this. This is fucking terrible. Needs to be shot off into space to die. Go fuck yourself. Saturday Skin. This sounds kind of intriguing. I've heard a lot about this brand. I can't remember if I tried anything or if I've been wanting to try something. I don't know. But in any case, let's give this a whirl. I like the claims of this, so let's hope that this is good. The eye cream, I'm just tired of getting fucking skincare and eye cream, especially from brands I've never heard of. So I'm probably gonna pass this off to my friend. Which at the rate that I'm going, he's already questioning our friendship because I give him so much skincare. He thinks I'm trying to say something about him. Sorry. The next thing is mascara. I'm okay with this, you know, it's mascara. Let's see if it works. This is interesting. I think it's really cute. This feels, like I said, kind of hard, so I'm kind of curious to see how that's gonna work. But bristles wise, they're not the most softest things to work with, but we'll see how it works with makeup applications. So, you know, I'm not entirely upset with this stuff. Let's kind of put that over there, right? So I'm really kind of just keeping these, really technically it's these three things. This is what kind of sweetens the deal for me. Considering I just opened up a BoxyCharm that was meant for May of 2021 and not March of 2022. So Love that for me. But in any case, yeah, this was all right. You know, will it ever get better? That's the question. That's the question I always ask myself. And I think that's why I kind of hold on every goddamn month, because I keep hoping that they're going to blow my socks off. But they don't. They never do. They never do. So with that said, I want to hear from y'all. Let me know down below if you get any of the stuff. If you have it, do you love it? Do you hate it? Is there any other subscription boxes that tickle your fancy? Let me know, because I love hearing from you. And with that said, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I truly appreciate it as always. Feel free to like, comment, hit that subscribe button. It's free. And hit that bell icon for notification of all my future posts. Follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Patreon. To all my beautiful, wonderful patron bubbies, thank you so much for keeping this delicious, disgusting, filthy, trashy, really gross, really nasty, really garbagey, garbage boat afloat. Couldn't do without you, and I love your adorable little delicious faces. One day I'll have nail polish again, just not anytime soon. If you want to know where I got this tablecloth though, I'll leave that information in the description box below. And I'll see you little Cabbage Patch Kids later. Bye.